PHP and MySQL. Difference in DBMS. What is difference between PHP and MySQL? PHP is the fast and feature-rich open-source scripting language used to develop web application or internet intranet application. MySQL is a powerful open-source database server built based on a relational database management system (RDBMS) and is capable of handling a large concurrent database connection. And this is the example, the picture of MySQL and PHP. Next is why MySQL is used with PHP. MySQL is a first choice of PHP developers as an open source relational database management system (RDBMS) that uses HQL language. MySQL database have to automate data retrieval and provide great support in PHP MySQL web application development. And this is the example. Next is what is the relationship between SQL and PHP? PHP is a language to make CMS and for PHP to works on the host you need to make connection between host and your CMS then SQL coming to make a connection between these two and your user can visit what you made on your PHP CMS. Example, computer equals host, PHP equals video track, SQL is video player. So, for watching video on computer, you need video player. And that's all. Next is my SQL required for PHP? Requirements in order to have this function available, you must complete PHP with MySQL support. And this is the example. Next is my SQL part of PHP? PHP is the most popular scripting language for web development. It is free, open source, and server side. The code is executed on the server. MySQL is a relational database management system (RDBMS) that uses structured query language. SQL it is also free and open source. And it is the example. Give comparison between MS SQL and PHP with regards to codes and functions. SQL is standardized programming language that is used to manage relational database and perform various operations on the data in them. In function is a set of SQL statements that perform a specific task. Function foster code reusability. If you have to repeatedly write large SQL script to perform the same task, you can create a function that perform the task. And this is the example. Next is PHP. PHP is a widely used open source generally purpose scripting language that is specially suited for web development and can be embedded into HTML. PHP function is a piece of code that can be issued many times. It can take input as argument list and return value. There's a thousand of built-in function in PHP. In PHP, we can define conditional function within function, and recursive function also. And this is the example. And that's all. And goodbye.